Top 10. Top 9. Top 8. Top 7. Top 6. Top 5. Top 4. Top 3. Top 2. Top 1. Make sure to like and subscribe. If not, you're going to explode, and I mean it.